Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little different. I want to redo my closet. Not really redo my closet, I want to get rid of some stuff. I've been getting a bunch of clothes over the last few months for like brand deals and PR. So my closet has expanded a lot, but I'm not getting rid of enough things. I am a clothes hoarder for sure. I like to keep things, I'll need this later. My favorite thing is I'll fit that later. And then it's just stuff that I have not worn in years. So the goal today is to get rid of 25 to 30 pieces. At least 25 pieces gotta go. They gotta get out of here. So we're gonna get into the closet. It's a jump scare. This is what my closet looks like. As you can see, it's a mess. We're just gonna start in the middle. This is a dress I just got from H&M. I wore this for a dinner party that I had. I love this dress. We're definitely keeping this because it is newer, and now I know I can get more wear out of that. Black turtleneck, bodysuit. That's the same. We're not doing too well. So these are some black leather pants. I had these tailored to fit, and they're already too big. I think I can tailor them one more time. Do this myself one more time. If I do not tailor these within the month, they gotta go. Someone in a month comment and ask me if I tailor these pants, so I can see what I did there. A pink corset top. I really love this top. I've worn this a couple times. It's not really the best quality though. The boning in it kind of folds to the body. But this is, I love this shirt. I wear it. I've worn it a couple times. I know I can get some more wear out of that. Oh, this thing. So this is a denim dress. I actually bought this for the Victoria Monet concert, but I didn't end up going and I have not worn it yet. I had it tailored so it literally fits like a glove. We have to keep this. I've gotten rid of nothing so far. Not a thing. Oh, this is my blue velour tracksuit. Keeping that. Okay, here's an item. I've been saying that I was going to wear this shirt and I've never worn it. It just doesn't do anything. So this can go. We finally have something that's gonna go. All right, what is this? Oh, these are my black trousers. I wear those often. So this is a blue bodysuit. I've worn this. I don't think I've worn this. I have an outfit in mind, so if I don't wear this in the spring, then it has to go, but I have something in mind for that. This is also new. I have not worn this yet, but I feel like even over this might be cute. Is this cute? Like just to throw on? We're definitely keeping this. So far, we are not doing well with getting rid of stuff. Skims bodysuits are staying. This is my Skims dupe that I got from Amazon. I wear that around the house. Here we have, this is a brown bodysuit. I have worn this one time. I really like this too. That's kind of newer. Okay, we have this white corset top. This is just something easy to throw on. It looks good by itself. This is a white off the shoulder top. I wear this a lot in the summer, but I'm like, I don't know if this is really still my style. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. This is a old white bodysuit mock neck, but I just really don't like the color. It's kind of dingy, so we're gonna get rid of that. This is a gray shirt that I used to wear a lot when I was working in office, but this still comes in handy just to throw on. Black bodysuit, another staple piece that you need. Okay. So these are brown silk pants, and I like these. These are easy to throw on, make like a really simple outfit. The only problem is these are kind of see-through, and they're not really the best quality. So I would rather invest in a better quality pants version of this than keep wearing those, because I'm always worried like it's gonna rip or something. These are black cargos that I recently just got. So we're keeping those. And this is my current pair of black cargos. Those tailored and fitted. Then I'm gonna get rid of these, but until then, I'm still wearing those. My black leather jacket. That was a Christmas gift from my mom a few years ago. My denim corset. I love this thing. I've worn it twice now, I think. And it's just so cute. I love it. Any of the stuff that still is available, I will link below. Okay, so this is a black shirt, and it's kind of similar to the white version, but this just fits better, and it's a full shirt instead of like a crop shirt. So I get more wear out of this than I do the white. Now we have a black pencil skirt, but this is Fashion Nova and it's honestly not the best quality. Like, it's kind of starting to beat up, and I have another black skirt like this that is a better quality, so we're gonna get rid of this one because I know I have another one in there. This is another top that I have that I just got, have not worn, but I haven't worn it because it's a little big and I need to tailor it. So we're gonna put that aside in the I need to tailor out item. I'm really big on getting your clothes tailored because I just feel like it fits you better. It looks more comfortable when they fit you perfectly. You don't have to worry about tugging at something if it's too big or too small. It just lays better on your body, and I just love that. So I've really been into like getting my clothes tailored because I just feel like it amps up the way that it looks. I have not worn this yet, and I know I have it in another color. I think I have it in green somewhere, or maybe I got rid of the green, but I know this is gonna come in handy in the summertime, so I'm gonna keep it. This is one of my favorite shirts ever. It just looks so good with anything. That's always gonna be in my closet. Off the shoulder black long sleeve. I've had this for a really long time, and I feel like I wear this often, but I feel like I have pieces that look better that I can replace with. I have the short version of this. I could always just throw in the shirt that I'm gonna tailor. I don't know. I'm gonna put this aside because that's a maybe. This is the black velour tracksuit. Those are just the pants though. So this is a black t-shirt dress. I used to wear this all the time around the house, but now I kind of reach for my Skims more. So we're just gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Black cardigan, staple, blazer, staple. So this is another black cardigan. This one is long sleeve, but the shape of this one I don't love. But I do wear it around the house a lot. But I just said I don't love the shape, so we're getting rid of it. This is a thrifted shirt that I made, and it says Black Lives Matter. I made it for the Kanye West tour back in like 2016. I still wear this sometimes. I just throw it on. It looks good with anything. And then this is another thrifted shirt that I have. It's a Ralph Lauren denim shirt. Again, I just throw it on top of outfits. This is another item. This is like a blue trench coat, and I keep saying I'm gonna keep it because it's a little snug on my arms, and I'm like, I'm gonna fit into this, but honestly it's just not my style anymore, so this can go. This gotta go. A pullover that I wear all the time. This is a jacket. I got this years ago and I used to wear this all the time. It's a knockoff Stussy, but I don't reach for it enough to keep keeping it. Oh, this is so cute. It's like this little knit loungewear cardigan that I wear all the time, and a black blazer. So now we have this side. So this is a leather, and it's too big, and I could tailor it, but I don't know. I styled it, but I haven't worn it. This is another maybe. And then this is my black silk skirt that I'm keeping. This is another item that I want to get a better quality piece for, but I do still wear this all the time. But I will be looking to get a better quality version, and then once I do, I will replace that. This is a long knits dress. I wear this all the time around the house. It is very see-through. I bought it to wear outside, but it's so see-through. I haven't done it, but it's a lounge piece that I wear all the time. Another black bodysuit that I wear. How close are we to 25? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is another black cardigan, but this one is very old and just dingy. So we're gonna get rid of that. Black trousers. These are some black leather pants that I just got. I'm honestly never gonna wear those. I got them in a brand deal. I thought that I could style them wear, but I'm never gonna wear them. Pair of denim pants, black mini skirt that I love. This is a black skirt. I've worn this thing so many times. I've styled it so many different ways. This was kind of like my first expensive piece of clothing that I've worn, that I bought for myself, but I don't know if I should keep it. It has like this really cute lace detailing, but I've worn it so many times. I've worn it in Miami twice. I've worn it in Chicago twice. I've worn it here like a bunch of times. I still find cute ways to style it. I think this may just be one of those pieces that I keep in my closet because it does just come in handy, and it's a unique piece. It's a unique piece. Okay, this gray skirt I'm gonna get rid of. I wear it around the house sometimes, but not enough to keep it. This is the other black skirt that I said that I have that's similar to the one from Fashion Nova. This is just a better quality version of that, so we're definitely gonna keep that. And this is a skirt that I just got recently. I wore this to the Beyonce concert and I still feel like I have some wear out of it, so we're gonna keep that as well. Gray trousers. This is a long sleeve black dress. Love to wear this like with tights and dress it up, dress it down. This is a black dress. This one's just not really great quality, and I have other long black dresses that are better quality than that. This one is a mock neck, which I get more use out of this one, I feel like. But again, it's not really great quality, and I have pieces to make the same look. So we're gonna get rid of that too. Like this here is a two-piece set. It's a skirt and a bodysuit. It's a thicker neck quality, and this fits the body more. So I could create that same look with these two pieces. This is another dress that I wear around the house often, but again, I just reach for my other more actual loungewear dresses, so we're going to get rid of that. Oh, I love this. This is a new dress I just got from Fashion Nova, because we were supposed to have a brown themed Christmas party, me and my family, but I don't think we're doing that. So maybe I'll wear this for my birthday or something. Another dress, I've only worn that once, so I know I will get more wear out of that. This is my staple. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this dress. This dress is like, sucks you in. It's from Forever 21 years ago, but it's a really nice quality, and I find myself reaching for this quite often over the years. That's just something that will always be in my closet. This blue dress, absolutely love. I think I've only worn it once to my cousin's birthday party, so not enough people saw me in that dress. So we're gonna wear that dress again. And this I've never worn, but it looks so good on me. I need to start going out more. And then this is a cheetah dress. I wore this in Miami. I feel like I've worn it a couple other times. I feel like I can style this really well. Yeah, this has a rip in it, so it's not even worth keeping. Purple dress literally hugs the body in the best ways. This is like the best date night dress. And this green dress I've worn a bunch of times, but this is another really good dress. Comes in handy for random weddings, random date night out. This dress has just come in handy for a lot of things, so I'm definitely keeping it. These are some pajamas, robes that I wear. Keeping those. This is a black robe that I have, but it has a lot of holes in it, so we're gonna get rid of that. Set, my strapless one. I wear this quite often. And then this is another denim corset. So we've cleaned all of that out, and so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, 17. We have 17, but we are not done. I have these bins down here with clothes in them, and we're gonna go through that as well. Oh, that is a skirt. This is a sweater that I throw on sometimes, but it's just ill-fitted. There's no point in keeping that. Bras do not actually fit well. This is a t-shirt that I love. I don't need that blue t-shirt. This I bought when I first went off to college. It's this Bob Marley tank top, and I just thought I was so cool because I was finally on my own, able to do what I want. And I was gonna buy a tank top with Bob Marley smoking. And while I don't wear this because I don't want to, like, it's just not my style anymore, I don't think I'll ever get rid of this shirt. Does that make me a hoarder? Probably. But you know how some things are just sentimental to you? This is sentimental to me. This is one of, like, when you just need to throw in a big t-shirt, just lounge around in your undies and eat popcorn, this is that shirt. Okay, these are some pants that I throw on, but they are too big and they just are taking up space. They just gotta go. The tank, a workout tank that I've never worn because it just does not fit my girls, and I keep saying I'm gonna fit it. Girl, just get rid of it. I'm never gonna wear that shirt again. One of those things I'm never gonna get rid of. This was my high school t-shirt that we wore for our senior picture. Like, we took a group senior picture together and me and my friends did tie-dye. So never gonna get rid of that shirt. Another one of those sentimental things. So let's do the final count, because I'm gonna do my drawers later and I'll tell you guys what that final count is. I'm gonna go ahead and reorganize my closet. I also need to put you guys on the charger. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll touch back in with you in a little bit. So I went ahead and I reorganized everything in the closet. I just kind of did it. Tops, bodysuits, skirts, dresses, pants, and then like my sweaters and jackets on this end, And one of the reasons I needed to do that, I really just want to be like the best version of myself. I want to be dressing that I feel most comfortable in. I just want to get on my grown woman-ish. So that is to say, I'm going to be doing a glow up series. If you guys want to see my glow up journey through the year and what I'm doing to just like elevate myself in my life, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out. So I just got some more clothes. I know I'm getting ready to close it. I'm getting more clothes. But like I said, I'm doing more partnerships. So that comes with the territory. And some of the clothes that I got are definitely more so in the elevated style that I'm going for. So let's show you. One of the first pieces is this gorgeous khaki dress, off the shoulder. It's like an asymmetrical top, but it's so cute. It fits the body so well. I literally love this. I got some gold heels to go with it and a little gold bag, and I think that's gonna be really cute. Pair of sweatpants, because I needed a new pair of sweatpants. These ones are a little big and they kind of fit weird around the ankle, like they're not tight on the ankle. I don't think that I'm actually gonna end up keeping these. This is super cute though. This is this black corset top, and it has like a little sweetheart neckline with the long sleeves. I think this will be really cute. I'm excited to have this in my closet. It is a black cardigan. I actually got this last month in my Boohoo order. Sorry, I don't think I mentioned that before. The clothes that I'm hanging up are all from Boohoo. I will have everything from Boohoo linked below. This other knit sweater, this is a crop pullover. I'm excited to have this, especially like when I go to Pilates, to just throw over like my workout outfits. I had a cotton version of this, but it was way too big. So I'm glad I have this crop knit, and it's a really soft quality. And I'm looking, it has like the bell sleeves, so I'm really excited to wear this. Neck shirt, and it's like that clingy material, so just fits on the body so well. This is gonna be perfect. It's like a perfect basic. Last but not least is this other dress. It's also khaki. This one is kind of different. It's very basic, very plain, but it's the cut of the dress. It kind of has like this slouchy feel to it. One side, this side kind of like hangs over to the shoulder more, and it's also a mock neck, but it is too big in the waist. So I'm gonna have to take this in as well. But I think this will be really cute. Just like a random, I need a quick outfit to go out to dinner, or I just need to throw in something and I don't feel like wearing black. I think this will be a good piece to have. But my closet closes with ease now. So if you stayed around for the whole video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and hit like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you come back so you can see the rest of the 2024 Glow Up series, because baby, this is just only the beginning. Make sure you tackle your closet and get rid of the stuff that you do not need and you do not wear. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.